Good morning, students. Last class we discuss करथिले about the contributions of cross pollination. Okay? एबे डिस्कस करिबा पिला हमें advantage of cross pollination. तो नंबर 1 फर्स्ट कोन पिले तो advantage cross pollination रे फर्स्ट पॉइंट cross pollination produces genetic recombinations. କାହିଁକି ନା ବୋଲେ डिफरेंट प्लांट यूज होला तो निश्चय तमरा कोन हो जेनेटिक रिकॉम्बिनेशन हो सेकंड पॉइंट कोन बोले तमरा तो क्रॉस पोलिनेशन द्वारा कोन होची ऑफस्प्रिंग जो प्रोड्यूस होची यूजुअली हैव हेल्दियर सीड्स एंड बेटर यील्ड ऑफस्प्रिंग produced have usually healthier seed and better yield. Okay. Then third key point is your what cross pollination have been used to produce disease resistance and high yielding varieties of plant. Used to produce disease resistance and high yielding varieties. ओके आउ कोन बेस एडवांटेज हे परिबो अन्यमान के कोई परिबोनी आउ कोन एडवांटेज हे परिबो that much is enough for you clear then next is your disadvantage note it down disadvantages of cross pollination. First one is your one. Here there are lot of pollen grains. Simply you thought, what if there is thousands of pollen grain migrated from one flower to another flower? Only a few of them are terminated on the stigma. That's why there is a wastage of lot of pollen grains. So first point is your wastage of lots of pollen grain. Second disadvantage is what? Though here recombination occurs. Recombination in the sense what? That is fusion of two genetically similar plants. That's why due to recombination, some undesirable characters are also produced. Due to recombination, some undesirable characters जोड़ा को हम इच्छा करने नथिबा are produced how कोन हम disadvantage हे परिबो the major disadvantage is what cross pollination is not autonomous निजे निजे हे परिबो नाही आकु दरकार कोन it requires external agency that means a carrier or agent that may be a what abiotic agent or a biotic agent it requires external agent. External agent. Okay, is it clear to all? Note it down. Okay, this is what about your pollination. Clear? Pollination पर्यंत समस्त क्लियरली बुझा पड़ला बिले. I repeat again, pollination, transfer of pollen grain from stamen to stigma or from stamen to pistil भी हमें कोई परिमा male part और female part को बोला. It is of two types. One is your self pollination, another one is your cross pollination. Self pollination in the sense what? Same plant, same flower. What are the contrivances of self pollination? Homogamy, then clistogamous flower, then what? ଆଉ କଣ contrivance ଅଛି? Homogamy, clistogamous. Clear? Then ତମର two types of self pollination ଅଛି, autogamy and heterogamy. Autogamy in the sense what? Same flower, same plant. Heterogamy, one change is that is your same plant but the flower is neighbor flower. Clear? In cross pollination what? There is requirement of agent, that is of two types of agent used, abiotic, biotic. Abiotic, anemophily and hydrophily, that is your wind and water. Biotic, different agents are there, entomophily, ornithophily. Clear? Malcophily, clisterophily. ये सब तुम जिन सब अच्छी कौन एजेंट. देन तुम क्रॉस पोलिनेशन कौन होची? प्लांट डिफरेंट हो जाउची, दो प्लांट इज डिफरेंट तो फ्लावर भी डिफरेंट रहबो. क्लियर? देन आर कंट्रीवेंसेस रे कौन आसीबो? डाइकोगामी, हेरकोगामी, हेटेरोस्टाइल. दीज आर द कंट्रीवेंसेस ऑफ क्रॉस पोलिनेशन. All the flowers of cross pollinating plants are chasmogamous flowers. That means they are open type flower. Clear? Then advantage and disadvantage we already discussed. This is what about your pollination. एटा तमरो important short note आसीबो पिले आसी जिबी तमरो बोर्ड एग्जाम रे, that is your outbreeding devices. तो outbreeding device कोन एबे हम डिस्कस करिबा. क्लियर? What? That is your incompatibility or outbreeding devices. In outbreeding devices. Clear? बुझा पड़ला पिले पर्यंत? In most of the plant, what happened? Fertilization is followed by fruit formation. Fertilization is followed by fruit formation. Followed by fruit formation. आपको हमें कौन पूछे? This condition is known as self compatibility. एटा गोटे जिंस अछि बिले seed formation takes place. Seed formation takes place only after self pollination. Only after self pollination. This condition is known as आपको हमें कौन पूछे ए कंडीशन को? This condition is known as self compatibility. That is not incompatibility. हमें कौन पूछे? Self compatibility. सेल्फ कंपैटिबिलिटी तो सेल्फ इनकंपैटिबिलिटी आसीबो. क्लियर? ए कंडीशन में हम कोन कहूचे? सेल्फ compatibility. But केते गुडिए प्लांट रे तमर कोन होछि बिले fertilization does not occur when the stigma is pollinated by the pollen of the same flower. Fertilization does not occur. Fertilization होउनी जदि सेम फ्लावर रो pollen grain जाय कि सेम फ्लावर स्टिग्मा ऊपर पड़ियो does not occur when pollens are deposited on the stigma of the same flower. Fertilization होउनी भी काहे कि होउनी this is occur due to the failure of post fertilization event. तो ये कंडीशन को हमें कौन कहूछे this condition is known as self incompatibility is known as this condition is known as your incompatibility. जदि फर्टिलाइजेशन पर पोस्ट फर्टिलाइजेशन इवेंट हैला फ्रूट फॉर्मेशन हैला सीड फॉर्मेशन हैला ताको हमें कहते सेल्फ कंपैटिबिलिटी जदि पोस्ट फर्टिलाइजेशन इवेंट होउनी आफ्टर पॉलिनेशन ताको हमें कोन कहूचे इनकंपैटिबिलिटी देटा कंडीशन बुझा पड़ला मिले क्लियरली इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल बुझा पड़िला ना नहीं रेस्पोंड मी what is self compatibility and what is incompatibility बुझा पड़ला okay very good तमरो जो incompatibility रहउची it is categorized into two types. Number one is your inter-specific incompatibility and number two is your intra-specific incompatibility. Okay? तो फर्स्ट टाइम डिस्कस करिया कोन इंटर-स्पेसिफिक इनकम्पैटिबिलिटी when the gametes from two distantly related species दूर अछि when the gametes of two distantly related species when the gametes of two distantly related species fail to fuse or produce fruit and seed distantly related species fail to fuse or to produce seed fail to fuse or to produce seed and fruit it is known as interspecific incompatibility seed and fruit it is known as interspecific incompatibility. Okay, जदि तुमर दीटा डिस्टेंटली रिलेटेड स्पेसीज जर्मिनेशन हेबारे प्रोसेस रे हेल्पिंग करूना जर्मिनेट होना ताको हम कोन कहूचे इंटर स्पेसिफिक इनकम्पैटिबिलिटी। ओके बुझा पड़ला। Next one is your intraspecific incompatibility. Okay, एटा तमरो कोन होची बिले when viable pollen grain of the same flower, pollen grain of the same flower, pollen grain of the same flower or from other individuals of the same species or other individuals of the same species or other individuals of the same species fail to produce fruit and seed. It is known as intraspecific incompatibility. Fail to produce fruit and seed. It is known as intraspecific incompatibility. बुझा पड़ला पिले इंटर कौन इंट्रा कौन बट इंपोर्टेंट शॉर्ट नोट एला तुम आराम से नोट इट डाउन कर दियो। दिस इज व्हाट अबाउट योर पॉलिनेशन। द पॉलिनेशन कांसेप्ट इज ओवर। एबे तुम पिले पचारो रिगार्डिंग पॉलिनेशन तार कोन डाउट्स अछि कि एनी डाउट्स यू हैव रिगार्डिंग पॉलिनेशन? Any doubts? Whatever it may be. Male gametophyte is clear to all. Female gametophyte is clear to all. Pollination is clear to all. पॉलिनेशन पर्यंत बिले देखो गोटे जिनस डिस्कस तुम करुच्ची टोटल आम जो चैप्टर अच्छी पिले रिप्रोडक्शन इन एंजियोस्पर्म्स तीनटा पार्ट रे हम डिस्कस करबा आगु ही तुमको कही। फर्स्ट वन इज योर व्हाट pre-fertilization events, pre-fertilization events. Then second one is your fertilization. Then third one is your post-fertilization. Post-fertilization. Okay? तो एबे हमर सरीले पिले pre-fertilization event. फर्टिलाइजेशन पूर्वरु जहा जहा होची दैट इज डेवलपमेंट ऑफ मेल गेमेटोफाइट, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ फीमेल गेमेटोफाइट एंड पॉलिनेशन। आफ्टर द प्रोसेस ऑफ पॉलिनेशन कंप्लीट द प्रोसेस ऑफ फर्टिलाइजेशन बिगिन। व्हाट हैपेंड इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ फर्टिलाइजेशन कोन होची किमिति तमरो पोलन ट्यूब रो फॉर्मेशन होची किमिति तमरो मेल गेमेट और फीमेल गेमेट रो फ्यूज होची ए सब जिंस हम फर्टिलाइजेशन रे डिस्कस करिवा। क्लियर? एटा तमरो इंपोर्टेंट लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन अछि दैट इज डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन इन एंजियोस्पर्म्स। एन यूनिक इवेंट occur that is called double fertilization डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन मीनिंग होची बोले कोन ना एइटे तमरो फर्टिलाइजेशन ट्वाइस होची दी थर होची द फर्स्ट प्रोसेस ऑफ फर्टिलाइजेशन when the male gamete is female with the fused with the egg cell, that is your female gamete, to form a diploid zygote. This process is known as your syngamy. But in the second time what happened, whether the fertilization again begin, say phase tomar kon hochi another male gamete. Here what happened, in the pollen tube there are two male gametes are there. One male gamete fused with the egg cell to form zygote, and another male gamete fused with the diploid secondary nucleus, that is your central cell. When we discuss in the embryo sac, there is a diploid secondary nucleus is there, that we call is a definitive nucleus. The definitive nucleus is diploid and the male gamete is haploid. When they fuse together they form a triploid 2n plus n, that is a primary endosperm nucleus. This is what we have to discuss, how that PEN is formed, how that zygote is formed, how the process of fertilization begins, how the formation of pollen tube starts, how the pollen tube entry into the ovule. What we will discuss in the part of fertilization. Clear? Is it clear to all? Shall I repeat? Then in the part of post fertilization we will discuss how the formation of fruit takes place, how the formation of seed takes place, how the formation of embryo takes place, how that is development embryo in dicot embryo development कैसे होता है, मोनोकोट embryo में development कैसे होता है, ये सब जिनिस डिटेल हमें डिस्कस करिबा. क्लियर? बुझा पड़ला ना बुझा पड़ला नहीं? बुझा पड़ला तो आज पे भी एती था बिकॉज़ ये पार्ट तमरे स्टार्ट करले सरीबो नाही, एटा गोटे लेंथी पार्ट और इंपोर्टेंट लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन. तो नेक्स्ट क्लास रखो हम पूरा कंप्लीटली सारी है. टिल देन बाय बाय.